7 free unique mosaic blanket crochet patterns to make. From the Hanjin Crochet blog, The Wondrous Blanket by Designer. Henna Cross is a free mosaic crochet blanket pattern that features a stunning geometric design. From the YouTube channel Lana's Villos in English. The Mosaic Fox Blanket is a project that uses the mosaic crochet technique to create a blanket with a fox design. The Smooth Tiles Blanket by designer Aina Morai-Soros is a soft, lightweight baby blanket that is well suited for newborns. The Chic Modern Mosaic Blocks Throw is a free crochet pattern by designer Marley Bird. The project uses simple stitches in a unique way to create an engaging mosaic block pattern that can be customized to match any home decor. Available from the online store Yarnspirations. The Red Heart Crochet Mosaic Throw is an easy level pattern designed to resemble elegant mosaic or tile work. This is a free pattern for experienced crocheters. This blanket features a Nordic-inspired design that combines easy stripes with more challenging color work to keep you interested as you stitch. The Naya Mosaic Blanket Infinity version is a free pattern by designer Tatiana Kupriansik of Lila Bjorn's Crochet World. The pattern is adaptable for a baby blanket, a wrap, or a large blanket. Find all these patterns and more on theyarncrew.com. The link to the roundup is in the description.